Good evening, friends. The dignitaries on the dais, the Ayush ji, the Sagraji, and Rakaji, and also the this girl, and also ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me confess that I am not a good orator. My oratory skills are very limited, and I just came here to listen to Raka Sudhakar. Raka Sudhakar is a very good orator, and whatever little oratory skills I possess, they pale in significance before him. And I lost touch with the organization and also this public speaking for a long time, for more than a decade. And that is the reason why I think I will be boring all of you if I speak a longer time. So before I just conclude, I just wanted to give one or two advices to all of you, because many of you are from the IT background and you are in the IT hub. And we are holding this meeting, this book release function amidst the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. We are trying to commemorate the sacrifices made by many heroes, unsung heroes during the independence struggle. We have in our country, we have a very lengthy list of the freedom fighters who have been granted freedom fighter pensions. If you get into the data of the freedom fighter pensioners in the country, you will find more than it is, the database itself is into lakhs. And in Telangana itself, it is into thousands. It is more than 20 to 30,000 freedom fighter pensioners are there in Telangana itself. And there are many more people who have not yet been granted the freedom fighters pension. And many people, they have not even opted, they have not even applied for the freedom fighter pension by their choice. They did not choose that they don't want the freedom fighter pensions. If you gather the information of all these unsung freedom fighters and the sacrifices made by them, and each of the freedom fighter had been enclosing an FIR, and if you can simply get hold of those FIRs, that gives a lot of information about the freedom struggle and the sacrifices made by many unsung heroes in and around us, in every place in our country, particularly in Telangana, particularly during the Nizam struggle and the armed rebellion by the communists, and by the struggle by the Arya Sabha, Arya Mahasabha and the RSS, the many Hindu organizations. They have been doing a lot of activities for the freedom struggle in those days, and some of them, they have opted for the freedom fighters pension. So that data you can obtain. Anybody can get this data under RTI Act, and you can also have the data of the FIRs, etc. from all the jails. Most of the jails in our country, they have very good documentation. Their FIRs and jail records have been preserved. If you can get this data by an RTI Act, and there is a lot of information in archives. So my only request to all of you is take some interest and take these documents, make out, because many of you, I am told that you have inclination to write and publish something. So if you can bring out these documents in a way and identify the sacrifices made by many of these unsung heroes, then you will be doing a yeoman service to the society by recognizing the sacrifices made by all these people. There are millions of people who have made lot of sacrifices. See, and because during the Nizam's rule in our country now, unfortunately in our Telangana, Nizam is being projected as a hero, as a benevolent ruler, but the reality is something else. And the amount of carnages, the amount of pillage, looting, and the killings, thousands have been killed in this particular land, and the many women were molested. there was lot of atrocities that were committed, and people used to fight against these atrocities in their own mind. And every one of of those people who fought against these atrocities, they need recognition. Their families need recognition. They don't want anything else. They just want the society to acknowledge the sacrifices made by all of them. So what I request all of you is that since you are into IT, you have many of you are bloggers, maybe bloggers, or you may have your own friends as bloggers. You may have many of you as publishers. So kindly take this. It's not a difficult job. The information is already available. Take the information from the archives, from the jail records, from the police records, from the government, from the applications made by the freedom fighters. From that you will be able to get the information. Take a little more pain to contact the persons, to contact their family members. Get in touch with them. They will give you first-hand information, and that first-hand information can be documented. They can be presented in the form of an article or some sort of a small write-up, so that we can acknowledge the sacrifices made by all those unsung heroes, so that we can commemorate the sacrifices made by all those people, because but for those sacrifices we would not have been here. All of us, if we are enjoying this freedom today, it is because of the sacrifices made by them. So it is our duty to commemorate the sacrifices made by them. So this is the small appeal I just wanted to make. Otherwise, I don't want to stand before you and Rakaji and others, Saradaji. I know that you are anxious to listen to me, so I am. I am also anxious to listen to both of them. So with this I conclude. Thank you all for giving me an opportunity. Thank you, sir.